Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Freedom. In this video, I will be analyzing Argo Blockchain stock, the company's business model, and I'll provide a price prediction. So let's get straight to it. Argo Blockchain, ticker symbol ARBKF, has had a pullback from $1.90 to $1.16, and this is a pullback of 38% from the high. I did a video on Argo 4 days earlier, and this is an update for you guys to let you know that there is still an opportunity to get into Argo before it goes much higher. This pullback that occurred from 1.9 to 1.16 was due to the decrease in the price of Bitcoin. But overall, in the grand scheme of things, Argo Blockchain is well positioned to take advantage of the Bitcoin bull market. Guys, just wanted to ask something. It does take a lot of time and effort to make these videos. So if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. I would like to mention that there are 4 reasons due to which now is the right time to buy Argo Blockchain. Firstly, there has been a pullback from 1.9 to 1.16. Secondly, there has been a decrease in the price of Bitcoin. Thirdly, we have the MicroStrategy conference this week on the 3rd, on Wednesday, and this is going to create more awareness of the prospects of Bitcoin. I'll be talking more about this in the later half of this video. The 4th reason is that Argo is undervalued. Now let's have a look at the price of Bitcoin. Over the last 2 to 3 weeks, Bitcoin has decreased from 42,000 to around 29,000, and then on Friday, Jan 29, as we see here, Bitcoin increased to 38,000. Soon Bitcoin is going to go above its all-time high of 42,000, and it's not a question of if but when. Coming back to the graph of Argo, we can see that on Friday, as Bitcoin went up to 38,000, Argo also went up here to 1.39. However, Friday was a very volatile day, and on the same day Bitcoin went down to 34,000, which led to Argo also decreasing here to 1.16. I'm making this video to point out that the opportunity is still there. When Bitcoin goes above its high of 42,000, Argo is going to increase considerably. Also, for those of you guys who are already shareholders of Argo, let's say over the next week or so, Argo goes up to 1.5, then please do not sell. I repeat, do not sell. That would be a big mistake. There is considerable room to run, and I feel Argo should be above $2 within a few months. If you sell early, you will lose out on the opportunity to make big gains. I'm not a financial advisor, but I have been following the crypto and Bitcoin mining space from a while now, and I'm trying to share my opinion with you. Also, while providing a price target of $2, I'm being conservative. As I'm making a video on this company, there is a certain level of professional accountability and integrity that I would like to have. This price estimate is really conservative. Also, it is better to buy a stock when it is at a discount instead of when it's green and flying. There is still an opportunity to get into Argo Blockchain before it goes much higher. Another factor is that a lot of people made gains from GameStop and AMC, and these guys, they need to put their money somewhere. At the same time, when GameStop and AMC were going up, at that time Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining companies were coming down. So I do have a feeling that these guys might want to buy Bitcoin mining companies, or they may purchase the cryptocurrency outright. There is going to be increasing mainstream adoption of Bitcoin, and the prices are forecasted to rise. This is because there are different institutions that are entering the crypto space, and this includes Square, MassMutual, BlackRock, and MicroStrategy. Firstly, Bitcoin will increase, and then we have to consider that buying a Bitcoin mining company like Argo Blockchain is a leveraged play on the price of Bitcoin itself. Please be careful with your entry and exit points. It is better to hold for the long term instead of simply focusing on short-term gains. Another strategy could be to decide on a percentage of your portfolio that you would like to invest in Bitcoin mining companies. Say for example it's 15%. Then you can divide that in 3 and put 5% each in Argo, Mara, and Riot. This way you will be well positioned for different possible future scenarios. Well, this all depends on the size of your overall portfolio and how much you would like to invest in each of the miners. Currently, Mara and Riot are more overvalued in comparison to Argo, so that's another thing you might want to consider. There is also the MicroStrategy conference on the 3rd of February, where Michael Saylor and other industry professionals will be discussing about the future prospects of Bitcoin. As we all know, MicroStrategy has invested a significant portion of its treasury assets in Bitcoin. So just consider if other companies like Apple, Tesla, and Facebook were also to buy Bitcoin, what could happen. This would be great news for Bitcoin bulls and also shareholders of Argo Blockchain. There has been a recent article which mentions that there could be a potential NASDAQ listing for Argo Blockchain. This would occur if the price went above $2. This NASDAQ listing process can take a period up to 6 weeks, and this is a catalyst that will provide significant upside for the stock. It also mentions that Argo is undervalued. A very positive factor is that there is no debt on the balance sheet of Argo Blockchain, while its competitor Hut8 has financed a loan of $11.8 million at an interest of 16.5%. There have been a number of recent developments at Argo Blockchain. This includes the share offering and the hiring of XMS Capital Partners. I've mentioned this in my previous video. I would like to summarize the points that I've mentioned in this video. There are 4 reasons due to which now is the right time to purchase shares of Argo Blockchain. This includes the pullback from 1.9 to 1.16. The second reason is the decrease in the price of Bitcoin. Thirdly, the MicroStrategy conference. And fourthly, Argo is undervalued. Well, that's it for this video. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading and see you in the next video.